Hey ATuL, how are you today?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
What are you doing?
Yeah, I'm going to do skydiving.
Was this your idea?
Yeah, it is my idea actually.
What do you want to tell your friends and family?
Just wait for the video. It will be exciting.
Awesome. All right, my friend, give me a high five.
Yeah.
I'll see you in the sky.
Sure.
Can you feel it? There's something in the air tonight. I can see it. We're gonna have a good time. Hit the brakes off the shoulders, man. You gotta go. You're taking things slow and ruining the flow. And I know you don't have that much to say. You can't stand to lose, can't stand to play. So every single night you pick a fight with me, but I don't fight back 'cause I believe that you don't hit a man when he's so far down that he can't get himself up off the ground. Just come real close and grab a clue, 'cause your girl just ain't going home with you. She and I have a few things to do. When three's a crowd, you know it's true. So take a shot, have a drink on me, go find yourself somewhere else to be. 'Cause right now this beat is all I need to pull this ace from out my sleeve. There's something in the air tonight. I can see it. We're gonna have a good time. Can you feel it? Sooner or later, gonna count my blessings, gonna make you mine. And sooner or later, gonna see the changes, open up your mind, so we can go back to how it used to be. Remember, we were young with nowhere else to be. I just wanna go back to how it used to be. When it was you and me was all we'd ever need. All we'd ever need. Sooner than later I will fix the past and change the point of view. And sooner
Wow! That was awesome!
Woo! Nice
Oh.
job. You did
Wow.
fantastic.
Yay! Oh my god! It's amazing!
how it used to be. Remember, we were young with nowhere else to be. I just wanna go back to how it used to be. When it was you and me was all we'd ever need. All we'd ever need.
That was amazing!
That is skydiving at its finest.
I enjoyed it!
Woo! Nice
It
job.
was really nice!
ATuL, you did awesome, my friend. Congratulations on your first skydiving.
Thank you so much!